Hey, hello guys, this is Praful Kulkarni and welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Yes, काफी दिनों के बाद वीडियो बन रही है and the reason behind that is I was not in the station for the last 15 days. मैंने एक meditation retreat पे गया था and yeah, उसका experience के ऊपर भी I'm gonna make a video on that. But coming back to what happened today, okay? So I traded after 15 days. So 15 days के बाद मैंने completely trade किया है and because I had a huge gap, I started with small quantities today and things didn't work out well today. So I had to book a loss of 20,000. That's okay. And this 20,000 is basically 2% of the margin money blocked. The margin used was 10 lakhs and 20k is 2% of that. So what happened? All right. So first thing is I was not particularly bullish today. So I entered the trade with a straddle. I entered the trade with 15,100 ka straddle and then I tried to manage it aggressively. And you know, the thing is today the puts didn't collapse much, but the at the money calls started behaving as if they were in the money. So calls काफी ज्यादा spike हुआ, जितना ज्यादा वो spike up होना चाहिए था. Okay, they spiked up much more than they should have spiked. So because of that, we faced loss. At one point of time this was somewhere around plus 1%. All right, and I thought of exiting the position when the position was at plus 1%, but then I held on. I decided ki let's stay till the end of the day. But then at around somewhere around 1 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. I realized that there's no point in managing the position because we lost much on slippages today. All right, so we got stopped out at the worst possible prices. And the second thing is, yes, the puts were not giving up the value and the calls were spiking up much more than they should have. So इसीलिए we had to book 2% loss today. Not an issue, part of the game. Let's talk about the plan for tomorrow. All right, the plan for tomorrow is there is a huge resistance at 422. Right, this is the all-time high and that will act as a resistance. And another resistance what we can see is this point. यहाँ पे एक supply zone था and then the market took support from there and then then it gapped up. So this will also act as a resistance. And the third resistance is this, somewhere in between. ये जो 15,330 से लेके 15,350 के बीच में जो है, that will also act as a resistance. And as far as the support is concerned, this point 15,150. 15,150 will be a support and definitely this point 15, this gap 1550 will be a support. So for tomorrow this will be the playing area for us. This entire range will be the playing area for us. So considering today's momentum, आज का momentum देख के I am thinking that market's gonna gap up tomorrow. Let's say market gaps up somewhere here. All right, if the market gaps up here, even if the market gets sold into in the first like 30 minutes or 45 minutes, this will be acting as a support. This closing price will act as a support. 3 दिन पहले 28 था VIX and already it has crashed down to 22. So there is no point of expecting a further downside. All right, so I will be moderately neutral to bullish tomorrow. So I won't be expecting much of a downside. And if the market gaps up, my range for tomorrow will be this 15,250 से लेके 15,400. That will be my range. If you look at the strangle values, 15,250 and 15,400 का strangle is currently worth 75 rupees and by tomorrow it will be worth somewhere around 60 rupees. Hopefully after the overnight decay it will be worth somewhere around 60 rupees. So our aim is to capture the entire 60 rupees tomorrow. So how are we going to do that? So the first thing is, as soon as the market opens, if it opens gap up, यहाँ पे अगर open होता है, तो we'll deploy a strangle in this range and we're not gonna manage it aggressively unless the range gets broken. If the range gets broken, we'll try shifting the calls lower and lower. If the range gets broken on the upper side, we'll try shifting the puts higher and higher till 1 o'clock. All right, we'll do that till 1 o'clock and post 1 o'clock, we'll shift from strangles to straddles. मार्केट जो पॉइंट पे है उस पॉइंट का स्ट्रैडल्स बनाएंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट इट्स ऑल अबाउट रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो. सो आईबीज ओपन इंटरेस्ट डेटा अनवाइंडिंग सब भाड़ में जाने दो. After that, we'll just try to capture as much points as possible, proper strict stop loss. All right. So that is the plan for tomorrow if the market gaps up, which is high probability. Correct. Even Bank Nifty भी यहाँ पे almost consolidation हो चुका है. So even if it gaps up and even if it gets sold into, so this area should be a very good support. मैं यहाँ पे आऊँगा if the market comes here. So most probably I'll be trying to short some puts aggressively at this point with some proper stop loss. Apart from the strangle, I'm talking about the directional trade. Alright. So what if the market gaps down? अगर market कहीं gap down खुल जाता है, again it opens a good range for us. The good range will be this. This will be a range for us. That is 15,250 से लेके 1550 तक. So this will be the range. There will be a lot of people. काफी सारे लोग इस point पे buy किए रहेंगे, hoping that market will gap up tomorrow. So if the market gaps down, all those people like who are longs, they'll continuously start exiting the positions. So because of that, the market might come down till, let's say, 15,100 or something, and then it might recover once the institutional buying happens. All right. So that would be the plan. अगर gap up होता है तो this will be the range. अगर gap down होता है तो this will be the range. The plan is pretty simple. So we'll start with the strangles and we'll manage the strangles till 12 o'clock. Not aggressively. We'll try to manage them, a bit defensively. And then after 1 o'clock, we'll shift from strangles to straddles and try to capture as many points as possible based on risk reward ratio. So if I have to talk about the market in general, the market looks pretty bullish. I'm not expecting 15,000 to touch again because आ गया मार्केट. जो भी मतलब घूमना था, जो भी नीचे जाना था, जो भी डिप देना था, करेक्शन देना था, सब करके आ गया है. So from now on, I think the market is gonna go up. So I'll be bullish. So I'll be trying to buy some positional trades, bullish positional trades. Either I'll be buying the Nifty futures or I'll be buying Nifty Bs, and I'll try to use that for my collateral. So let's see, guys. All right, that's it for this video, and keep watching. Thank you.